how you can turn your photo into a cartoon. Now this is a very simple process. All you need is a Canva and your photo. So first let us upload a photo in Canva. I'm just using a very random photo. Now after you upload your photo, make sure to click on photo and then go to apps. There you can search Canva apps. Be sure to search for Cartoonify, and there you'll get the app to turn yourself into a cartoon. Now open it and then click on Cartoonify and replace. Now this will take some time, so have patience. Now after it's done, you can see that your photo has been cartoonified. Now there is another method where you can go do the same process, but except of using Cartoonify, you can use Animify. Sorry, the spelling's wrong, but you get the point. And then click on Open. Now click on Animify and Replace, and then wait. There you can see you have been animified. So the process is really simple, and anyone can do it. So this is all for the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a like below. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.